To check your transaction history on Facebook, you can follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Open Facebook app or website. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. On the app, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu in the bottom right corner. On the website, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Go to your Facebook information. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Information. Click on it to access various options related to your account data. Step 4. Find transaction history. Within your Facebook information, locate and select Activity Log. This will show you a detailed log of your activities, including transactions. You may need to filter the activity log to find specific transactions. Step 5. Review your transactions. Once in the activity log, scroll through the entries or use the filter options to find your transaction history. You can view details about purchases, payments, and other financial activities associated with your account. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore Facebook's Help Center.